In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide mentions on Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application and then hit on that plus sign to start creating a story. Now there you can use some image from your photo gallery, or you can use your camera to create one. And here let's first create a mention. I'll tap here at stickers icon, and here I can tap add mention to mention somebody. Let it be The Rock. And now, instead of placing this sticker somewhere around the story, I can hold down on that sticker and move it out the edges of the story in that way. And here, as you can see, I have just completely moved mention sticker out from my story. And that's it. Now I can continue creating that story as I normally do. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.